Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class students for maths class. Today we are going to learn quadratic equation nature of roots. ఈ నేచర్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ గురించి మనం ఈరోజు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ద ఈక్వేషన్ ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఇలా వచ్చింది. దీన్ని ఎలా డెరైవ్ చేసేవన్న దాని గురించి మనం బ్రీఫ్గా తెలుసుకుందాం. ఏంటంటే see here, nature of roots. The quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Then again you have to write it here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx, c takes right side, becomes minus c. So you have to multiply 4a on both sides. 4a తో both sides multiply చేద్దాం. 4a into ax square 4a square x square 4abx is equal to minus 4ac. Then next we have to add b square on both sides. b square ని both sides కూడా యాడ్ చేయండి. b square minus add b square on both sides. 4a square x square plus 4abx plus b square is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then you have to write 4a square x square is equal to 2ax whole square plus 4abx. You have to write 2 into 2ax into b plus b square is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the like between a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A means 2ax ante whole square, b ante b whole square. So you have to write this one, 2ax plus b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac. 2ax plus b is equal to plus or minus square root over b square minus 4ac. 2ax is equal to 2ax is equal to, take the b this side, minus b. You write in order minus b plus or minus square root over b square minus 4ac. Then you have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here we get two distinct real roots. This one you have to write, first one is you have to say alpha is equal to first root minus b plus or minus square root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Second root to say beta is equal to minus b minus square root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Note, b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. You have to find this alpha beta in the root value. Under root value you have to say the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Then next, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c has four conditions. What is the b square minus 4ac? b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Has two distinct real roots. b square minus 4ac kanaka greater than 0 వస్తే దానికి real roots, two real roots ఉన్నట్లు. Next, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 అయితే has real roots అంటాం. Next condition, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so it has no real roots. This is the how to find the nature of roots అనే దానివి ఈ త్రీ కండిషన్స్ మీద డిపెండెంట్ ఉంది. గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 వస్తే టూ డిస్టింక్ట్ రియల్ రూట్స్, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 వస్తే హ్యాస్ ఈక్వల్ రూట్స్, రెండు సమానంగా ఉంటాయి. లెస్ దాన్ 0 వస్తే హ్యాస్ నో రియల్ రూట్స్. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and like it.